Howdy folks, welcome to Hockmeyer Outdoors, and on this shortcut I will be putting a force patina in a 90-degree angle on a carbon steel Mora knife companion. Thanks for stopping by. Things you will need for the knife mods are a rag, alcohol, vinegar, temperature safe container, file, and a vise is optional. To start off, heat the vinegar to a boil. Clamp the blade into a padded vise, foul the spine of the blade until you achieve a 90-degree angle. Once you achieve a 90-degree angle, you can properly strike a ferro rod. Degrease the blade with the alcohol to remove all oils on the blade. Use caution while doing this. Once the vinegar starts boiling, place the knife into a temperature-safe container. Pour the vinegar till the blade is completely covered. Allow the knife to set for a minimum of 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, wipe the blade down, reheat the vinegar, and allow to set for an additional 15 to 30 minutes. After the knife has set for a minimum of 45 minutes, remove the blade from the vinegar and wash the knife off with water. Then wipe down the blade with a lightly oiled rag. Here is the end product. The blade now has some protection against rust. Periodically wipe the blade down with oil to keep it from rusting. Thanks for watching.